What was the older name of West Bengal? Bangladesh. What is the state fish of West Bengal? Hilsa fish. What is the capital of Telangana? Hyderabad. First woman received Gyanpith Award. Asapurna Devi. Who was father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi. A place where bees are kept is called apiary. Which soil contains minerals? Alluvial soil. How many teams take part in English Premier League? 20. The Konkan coast is the part of which state? Maharashtra. Highest peak in South India? Anaimudi. Which country has the most time zone? France. Only continent without an active volcano is Australia. National Development Council was set up in 1952. FDI introduced in India in 1991. Which mountain range separates Asia from Europe in Russia? Ural Mountain. Which country in Europe famous for tulips and windmills? Netherlands. Economic survey is published by Minister of Finance. Who is known as father of economics? Adam Smith. Which flower is national symbol of Japan? Cherry blossom. Which flower is commonly associated with peace? Olive branch flower.